Hi everyone, in this warning video, I'm going to show you the ways to find or locate your saved file missing in Telegram. Now, if you're experiencing missing saved file in Telegram, you can try following these steps. First of all, you can check your saved messages. That is, first of all, open up your Telegram application. And right on this page, you can go ahead and type in save messages. And if you are able to find the messages that you've saved right on this page, if you have saved the following photo, then you should be able to find it right on this page. But if you have not done it, then you can check if the files you're looking for it is located in the following chat or not. And Telegram automatically saves files and messages that you've sent to yourself in the save messages chat. If you're not able to find it, then you can check your file store manager. For that, go to the Telegram settings menu, tap the tab bar icon, and then go to settings and look for the option that says data and storage. So that's basically going to be located right on this page, that is here, data and storage. And you can check the settings related to where the files are saved, such as save to gallery for images and all that, right on this page. And if ensure that the appropriate options are enabled to save files to your device's storage as well. If this is not working out, then you can also sometimes clearing your cache of the Telegram app can resolve issues. So for that case, long press on your Telegram app, go to the app info icon, and right on this page you can go ahead and click on storage and cache and make sure to clear cache, and try uninstalling the Telegram application, and once again reinstall it. That should be able to fix the issue. If that is also not working out, then you can also try updating your app. So for that case, you have to exit out of your Telegram and then go to your Play Store. On the search box, you need to type in Telegram, and when you locate Telegram, you should be able to see this option as open. If you have update, then you have to press on it and wait for the application to be updated. If nothing seems to be working out, then you have to contact the support team and you should be able to get the solution. So by following this step, you should be able to troubleshoot and resolve the issue of missing saved files in Telegram. So that is how you can find or locate your save file missing in Telegram. That is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.